Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a Tundra tapestry pattern using Python. So we'll start this by importing the required libraries. So here we have imported NumPy, which is used for generating numerical data, especially arrays and random numbers, and matplotlib.pyplot, which is a popular Python library for creating visualization including bar plots. And now we'll define all the patterns for whom we need to create the plot. So here we can take as many patterns we need to create for this. I am taking these all different types of symbols or patterns. So this is a list of hatch patterns, which are textures used to fill the bars, and these are commonly used in visualizations for differentiating bars in black and white or color blind friendly charts. And now we'll extend patterns to 50. So here, if a list contains fewer than 50 patterns, it repeats the list using extend. And pattern 50 here ensures exactly 50 patterns by slicing the list. And now we'll generate the data. So here x is a sequence of number from 1 to 50 representing the x-axis values, and y 50 random number integers between 10 and 100 for the y-axis for the bar heights. And now we'll create the figure and axis. So here figure represents the figure, the entire visualization space, and AX is the plotting area where the bars are drawn, and figure size 12 by 8 specifies the size of the figure in inches. And now we'll define the colors of the bar. So you can take the colors according to your preference. So these are the different colors we are going to use in this pattern. A soft pastel color palette which represents the tundra landscape, and colors are in the hex format. And now we'll plot the bars. So here a for loop iterates 50 times to a plot each bar, and ax.bar creates a bar using xi, which positions on the x-axis, and yi, which is the height of the bar, and hatch is equals to patterns I, this is the texture of the bar, and color, which cycles through the 5 Tundra colors using the modulo operator, and edge color is black, which means a black border for contrast. And now we'll add labels and titles for the plot. So here ax.set x label and ax.set y label labels the x and y axis, and ax.set title, which sets the suitable title to the plot, and plt.show, this renders and displays the completed plot using matplotlib. So here as we can see the plot, we can increase or decrease the size of the figure according to us. So thanks for watching this video.